You're watching TPM Vid Spotlight Series.
Looks like the gang's just about ready, so now's the time we remind you there's no eating,
drinking, or smoking allowed in the theater.
and you can take all the photos and video you'd like. Just please, no flash photography or video lighting. We've already got Rufus on Spotlight.
Do we? Psst, Rufus, wake up! Oh.
Over here.
Sorry.
Okay, everybody, now we're ready to start. Give us a little intro there, Gomer. Howdy, folks. Welcome to the one and only original country band musical Jamboree, featuring a wild and woolly assortment of grizzled old grizzlies singing a little country, a little western, and a whole lot of everything in between. So get those paws tapping and those claws clapping for five bears who need no introduction, but I'll give them one anyway. Let's hear it for the Five Bear Runs! Hit it, boys! It's our country band musical Jamboree. Knee slapping, toe tapping, jubilee.
No time to even hibernate.
After all our years together, I can still barely wait for our country band musical Jamboree. Settle in, bring all your friends. We really want to come again. We've got some fancy prancing and some fair square dancing.
Most fun I had since I crawled out of the den.
It's our country band musical Jamboree. And now, sweeter than a hive full of honey, it's our very own Trixie and the talented trio, Bunny, Bubbles, and Beulah. Or is it Beulah, Bunny, and Bubbles? Well, any way you count it, they're triple the fun. Okay, boys, now why don't we try something a little different? How about a love song, man?
There you see her, sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl. Everybody now. My oh my, not the boy too shy, gonna kiss the girl. Ain't that sad? Ain't a shame too bad. You gonna miss the girl.
There's plenty of fish in the sea.
Fish, you're making me hungry. Not me, I'm stuffed.
Okay, now, our next performer used to play with the Mineral Kings, but he's here now. a furry firestorm of fiddling Floridian fury. Take it away, Ernest.
Bear's smoking.
Yeah, he's on fire today.
Yeah, he's really burning through our fiddle bucket. Can't believe we have a fiddle bucket. Oh, he sounds supercalifragilistic, super good. Sounds really good. Where'd he come from?
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide?
I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under. Honey, magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you. Y'all swing by and see me sometime.
I would, but I'm scared of heights.
And I'm scared of swings.
You know, it might surprise you to learn that our next performer is still an eligible bachelor.
Is it the clumpy way he walks?
Or the grumpy way he talks.
Or the pear-shaped, square-shaped weirdness of his feet? And though we know he washes well, he always ends up sort of smelly.
But you'll never meet a fella who's as sensitive and sweet. Everyone's a bit of a fixer-upper, that's what it's all about. We need each other to raise us up and round us out. Everyone's a bit of a fixer-upper, but when push comes to shove, the only fixer-upper that'll fix a fixer-upper is true. True, 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 true love. Remember me. Though I had to say goodbye, remember me. Just don't let it make you cry. Too sad, I can't go home.
Poor guy.
Poor curtains.
Well, folks, I'd say that's a rendition we'll remember for a long time. Now, how about we do one of my favorites? You've got a friend in me.
You got a friend in me.
Hiya, Sammy. You've got problems.
I got them too.
There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, we can see it through, 'cause you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
Aw, say, Henry, why don't we invite all our friends out there to join us for the finale?
Great idea, Sammy. Hey, gang, hit it! Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I'll be the bare necessities.
big home. The bees are buzzing in the trees to make some honey just for me. When you look under the rocks and plants and take a glance at fancy ants and maybe try a few, the bare necessities of life will come to you. They'll come to you.
What the?
Hey, Al, stop!
Okay, Al, that's enough.
You already had your chance.
Hey, wait a minute.
Hey, Henry, get the hook.
Forget the hook. Get a bear trap.
Rufus the Clown. Remember.
Well, folks, this concludes our show. As you can see, we're still barely keeping it together. Now gather up all your bare necessities and exit out the doors on your right. What do you say, Sammy?
I say, y'all come back, you hear?
We hope that you'll be coming back in, that you'll drop in and see us now and then. We've done our very best to please with just the bare necessities. We hope that you'll be coming back in. Come again, come again.
The welcome mat is always out because seeing you is fine.
Don't forget to gather your belongings.
And your kids, too.
It's been good to have you.
So long, folks.